Hey, I'm Matthew from Rivian. We've really enjoyed this Rivian R1T, but one thing we don't like a lot about it is the phone situation. There's a wireless charging pad here in the center console that a lot of people have had trouble with, so we came up with this idea for wired charging adapters that drop in place in the center console, and they help out a lot to give us fast, efficient wired charging. But that still leaves your phone in a position where it's kind of hard to see if you want to do things like Waze. So, looking at options for putting the phone somewhere on the dash. So we came up with this. We're calling it a dash anchor. It slides in behind the screen on either side, and it has a screw that when you tighten it up, this piece expands out and it locks it in place. Makes for a very nice, stable mount. So we currently have a 17mm ball that is great for things like this, so you can directly attach whatever your phone mount is to it. We also have a 25mm ball that's great for things like this. So this is a RAM short arm. So you open these up, you slide the ball into it, and then on the other side you can attach your mount. And that gives you a lot of options as far as raising the height, and you can get different height arms, and they sell all sorts of different attachments for these. So let me show you how this works. Like I said, there's a screw here that expands this part once it's in place. So we're going to take this, slide it behind until you hear that click, and then tighten up the screw. And you want to tighten it until it's tight. If you tighten it too far, there's a stop in place, so it will keep you from messing up the screen or anything like that. Once it's tight, it's nice and rigid. I mean, I'm pulling pretty hard and it's not going anywhere. So then you just attach whatever your mount of choice is. So slide that on, tighten up the screw, and now you have your little dock. To remove it, just reverse those steps, pop that out, unscrew the screw, and you don't have to completely remove it, just get it nice and loose, give it a pull, and it slides out. And it's the same for the other side. Instead of going in this way, you rotate it around, put it in that way. A couple things to note: the anchors and ball mounts that we're supplying are made from recycled plastic that's made in USA. But even though they are plastic, they use these M5 screws that make for a very strong mount. The screw goes all the way up the length of the ball mount. But we did also make our anchors compatible with these RAM and Archon ball mounts that have this hex at the end. So you slide it in, put your 1/4-20 screw in, and now you can use their Gen1 accessories to build whatever configuration you want. So these are two of our favorite options right now. This is just a MagSafe compatible magnet dock. So it doesn't charge, but it holds your phone nice and secure. This is an Android phone, so I have a MagSafe compatible case on it, and it works great. This is just kind of a cradle dock that works for most any phone, most any case. So just two options that we found that we like. We are just going to be selling the anchor with your choice of ball mount for it, and we'll have these as recommended options on our website, and those recommended options will probably change over time as we come up with more ideas. So check us out at everyamp.com. These will be under the Rivian section of the website. If you have any requests for things that you would like for us to add to it, make it better, reach out to us at support@everyamp.com. Thanks for watching.